Hi, my name is Isabel Vollmerhausen and I work in sales support at Syntegon.
Hi, my name is Nelson Celestino and I'm product manager at Syntegon.
How can we work together to minimize your production risk? Our first step is to find a suitable service agreement level that enhances your production by ensuring smooth performance with a tailored maintenance strategy. We maintain your equipment from the start and throughout the entire machine's life cycle to reduce production losses, maximize your equipment performance and minimize downtimes.
Downtime is not only caused by wear and tear, but also incorrect operation of the equipment. This is why we provide operating and maintenance training. Our blended learning approach allows us to develop a program for your team that fits your individual needs and gives them extensive knowledge of your Syntegon equipment. Training is available in online and offline formats. Our promise: we will make you experts in operating and maintaining your machines. To learn more about our service agreements, just get in touch.